I just want to introduce to you how to put together the wall mount for the O4T7N turret camera. If you zoom in close here, you'll see that there's an included accessory. There's a junction box included. However, this is just for wall mounting indoors. If you want to mount to a wall mount, you'd have to purchase our JB2 indoor-outdoor junction box, and that's this guy over here. Okay, so I'm going to put these two together. We've also come out with another SKU just to simplify this. We've came out with the O5VLWMJ, and basically what that is it's this included with this in one box. Okay, so that way you don't have to think about it. This is what's included in the JB2 junction box. You have hardware as well as the junction box. This is what's included in the O5VLWM, 3 pieces and the hardware. Start by removing the base plate off of the O4T7N. In the junction box hardware, you will find 3 machine screws. Fit these machine screws onto the base and on top of the junction box cover. Now mount the camera to the top of the junction box cover. Pre-assemble the wall mount. Make sure you use the included anchors and screws to mount the wall mount onto your wall. After you've affixed the wall mount to the wall, make sure you use the included set screws to lock it in place. Now tether back the camera onto the junction box base for safety. Make your connections and screw the top cover back onto the junction box. And you're done.